So we're going to do an unboxing right now, and that'll be, I'll have that footage so that when I give a review. So what do you get? Manual. Ssontong. Ssontong. Whatever. You know it's Chinese, right? So, this is the camera. Dash cam. Okay, that's what you get. The SD card comes installed already. You know, not bad. So that's the camera. You get a USB charger. You get the adapter for your micro SD so you can stick it in the computer. You got the mount for your windshield. And you got the lighter, your cigarette lighter. Right? Okay. That's what you get. Alright? That's what you get in the box. So, looking forward to getting some footage and using it for a while and doing a review on this thing. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. The footage I found on the computer, I forgot that it was even there. It's about the dash cam that we had. We've had it now for 4 or 5 months. It offers everything we want in a dash cam. It's cheap. I'll try to find out how much we paid for it. Good daytime video. It's got a wide range. I got it on the maximum. It's a little fish-eyed, but it gives you more range. You can hook up another camera in the back. It's got motion detection, so especially if you got two cameras, you know, if somebody is there dinging up your car with a shopping cart or something like that, it will film that for you. As long as your windshield is clean, you're going to obviously get as good of a quality as your windshield. But it's great, yeah, great footage in the daytime. We get over about 5 hours or so before it starts to loop. But we have a 32 or 64 gig, I forget, SD card in there. Nighttime vision, for us, it's not the greatest because the footage we have is in the 07 focus and it's got the old headlights. So it's not, and we have no street lights, we have no lights, right? So it's not going to give you much detail in the footage, right? Unless a moose comes and sits in your lap, you might get that filmed. But other than that, for us. But if you are in town or in a place with street lights and all that, I'm sure you'll get better footage at night, especially with LED headlights. I'm sure it'll give you more as well. Well, sorry, I don't have any footage of in town. We did, but it just recorded over it before I thought about stopping it. So, but the footage that I do have, it'll give you an idea for a cheap camera if you should pick it up or whatnot. And the suction, a lot of people say with some other cameras, the suction, it just don't stay on there. It's been on there now for weeks and weeks and weeks at a time, and it haven't fell off. It's still up there solid. So yeah. Anyway, the design where you plug it in, it's pretty. They could have it on the bottom. They got it on top, and it's next to the window. Hey, little stuff like that. So check out the footage that I have for you. You know, hopefully it helps in some way. And if you're new, don't let this video deter you from subscribing, okay? It's still free. So let's get to the footage.